Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. This is a video with a bit of background about the YouTube channel itself we have. So this is our YouTube channel. We have around 40,000 views per month, something like that. We have almost 5,000 subscribers, but most of you get to the channel through SEO, searching for videos, things like that. And under here, YouTube has a tab called investigation. Investigation is a tab where YouTube is sharing with creators what content, what topics we should talk about. And there is a lot of there are a lot of contents or topics about how to create contact us page in WordPress, how to make a WordPress chat plugin, how to make let's see down here, how to use WhatsApp business, and how to use click to chat WhatsApp. So there are like basic topics, but I think are worth making content for you, so you know more about how to use WhatsApp, how to create a contact page with WhatsApp in your WordPress website. So today, this is just to give you a hint about how we create content for the channel. And now we are going to talk about how to create a contact us page in WordPress with a WhatsApp button. Okay, so this is for you. This is based on what YouTube is sharing with us, because I guess we understand there is more users looking for that content, and our videos are showing up, and we want to help you. So how to this is just how to create a contact us page in WordPress with a WhatsApp button. Okay, that's the topic we are going to do today. How we do it, this is super simple. This is for you. The truth is WordPress do not offer any contact us option. There is no contact us form, there is no contact us templates, there is nothing like that inside WordPress. You need to use something else. You need to use some other tool to make that happen in WordPress. So how we help you. This is our tool. Our tool is an unlimited tool for you to create as many forms, agents, all that with one account. Okay, this is just to be clear. This is not a WordPress plugin. This is a tool you are going to use under your account, and then you can take it to WordPress, HTML, PHP, Wix, Drupal, Joomla, you name it. Our widgets work everywhere, and this is something that maybe you do most of your websites with WordPress, but sometimes you use HTML, sometimes you use, I don't know, some landing pages, generators, creators, something like that. So this is for you to know that you can use these forms everywhere. Okay, as a widget or as a form. Those are two options we are going to see during this video. So option number one, you create your widget, you create an agent. An agent means the person who is going to receive the the contacts. This is the widget. We put here the phone number, we put here the email, just in case you want to send an email to that person. You also have a default message, like a welcome message for the user. This is the form. This is pretty much what we have here. The form, we have agent profile, and then we have the form. The form is where we configure this form. Obviously, the most popular tool to create forms on WordPress is Contact Form 7. But honestly, I think this is a piece of very bad software. It works, it gets the job done, but using Contact Form 7 is a pain for anyone. It's very complicated. doesn't give you, a database with the leads. Honestly, I understand it's popular. I understand it's something you can use, but honestly, I think it's a piece of garbage. There is nothing good on that. I understand it's like Wikipedia. It's popular, but it's so hard to use. It's so hard to manage that. Honestly, I don't think makes sense. What we give you is a visual editor. You can create here your fields. You can choose different options from here, from the drop down. Maybe of course we can improve the design, but this is beautiful. The phone number, field, already gives you the country code for the user, validates, it's a phone. The email, the same email, has validations. You can make the fields mandatory if you want. So we give you a lot of tools, with a visual interface. So I think honestly you should consider, our tool when you are, choosing, what to use for your forms in WordPress or any other website. Also, you can add more fields, of course. If you want to ask something else, like let's do something like a drop down that I think is more interesting. So, for example, we can say, how can I help you? And let's say you are an agency. You can do here like ads, website development. Maybe we have something like hosting. Maybe we add something like ads, website hosting, maintenance. Okay. Other, we can say other here. Okay. We can put this require. We are going to activate this form, and here we have it. Okay. Now we have a drop down. We have the fields. Okay. All that is working. How we take this into our WordPress website. Down here, this is we are at the agents level. Okay, we are in the agents section. We take this code. This code is exactly this form. So we copy. We go to the WordPress website. We edit, and I will say in any current version of WordPress, you have this option that is to add HTML. Okay, we click here, we search for HTML, we paste, we update, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. Let's click view. Okay, and this is the widget with the form. Okay, everything is here. So now, what we can do here, what options do we have here? First, we can, if someone, put here the information, let's put here my information, and I want information about the website. Option number one, this goes to WhatsApp. Okay, that's the option number one by default. Okay, this is going to open the website, the WhatsApp account is going to send the information. I'm going to have a lead right away. Okay, this is very straightforward. This is option number one. Option number two, we want to save the lead. We want an email, but we don't want WhatsApp. Okay, we don't want to send the user to WhatsApp. Okay, maybe that's an option we want to. How we do it? Let's go to agents. Let's go to agent profile, edit. And here we have an option that is no WhatsApp redirect. Okay, this is an option we put here just to, prevent the form, about, for creating a WhatsApp conversation. We are going to save the lead. We are not going to send the user to WhatsApp, okay? Because everything is connected, the moment we do something here, it's going to be updated here. We just need to reload, that's it, and let's make a new lead, Caesar2, no redirect, email, let's put here the email, my phone number, and hosting, and I click, and that's it. This in this case, we don't do anything else. We just keep the user in the form and we say thank you. That's it. This message obviously can be customized. Let's go to the widget. This message is in the translation section. And what is the message? The message is your message has been sent. Let's search for, I think it's this one. Thank you for your message. We will contact you ASAP. Let me confirm, is this one? I mean, as you can see, there are a lot of options, messages you can customize here. I mean, this is the translation section. It's not only for translation; it's also for you to make it as you want. Okay, so this is the translation section. Let's go to edit back. Let's make another one. Let's save this one here. Your message has been sent, so it's not there. Translation, your message. I think it's this one. Thank you. Okay, this is something we need to improve because the messages are not 100% right. Okay, I think now it's good. Let's click edit. Let's make a new one. This is Caesar3 info at chat with the phone number, maintenance, contact. Okay, yeah, now it's good. So this is the message we can put here. You may say, hey, I want to send the user to another page once he clicks send. Yes, we can do that. This is at the widget level. In the widget level, there are extra options here, and we can redirect URL. Okay, this redirect URL is for you to send the user to another page. There is another option here, and it's to redirect URL with parameters. What that means? That means we are going to send to this URL everything that is in the form. Sometimes you have a database, you have a system that is going to handle that information, and is going to create a lead, or is going to create something in your database, something like that. So this option is for those cases. You can send a URL with everything in the URL. I mean, all the parameters, so you can make an insert in your database. That's an option for that. For now, we are going to use only the redirect URL, so we use this one. So we put this there. We click save. This is at the widget level and is under the advanced features. Okay, under here there is this option for redirect URL. Okay, so if we fill up the form, I'm going to put ads, and now we send the user to this page. What happens, because the same with contact form, you don't have a database of forms being created. You need to add another plugin, you need to add something else. I mean, honestly, I think that's a bit of too many things, too many issues. With our option, you have here all the leads. Okay, everything that is being created with the form is here, and you have all the data. I mean, you have the user, the referral, the country, the time. Everything is being saved in this widget, in this form. So everything is right here. You also have, if you are making ads, you have information about the ads you have, how the leads are being generated with ads. You have, who is the agent, creating the leads, receiving the leads. I mean, you have a lot of information that I think is really going to help you, and it's going to help you, manage your campaigns, your activities, everything. You can download all the data. I mean, this is something you can do from here. You can filter the leads. I mean, you can sort, hey, what happened this week? So you can check the leads from this week. You have the status. I mean, there is a lot of options for you to manage your leads, right here. You can add notes, you can add an amount if you want, to input some value to this lead. I mean, this is a nice control panel for you to manage all the, leads from your forms in your website. So this, little form is, creating a lot of value already for you. Everything you update is going to be saved, instantly. So if we make a new lead here, let's put this one here. Let's put the phone number. Let's make a save. This redirect option is already updated in your account, so you don't need to do anything. The message is already, I mean, you don't need to touch anything in the code you put in your WordPress web page. This code is keeping everything updated as you make modifications or updates in your account. So this is very, very simple to use. If we go to leads, the leads are going to be here. Everything is going to be, updated. So everything is working, right away. What else? Design options, customize the design, everything. Let's go to the widget. In the widget, here you have some basic options, like color, if the widget is active, so things like that. This is at the widget level, okay? If we go to the design section, you have some templates. You have this bubble. This bubble is the one I like the most. This bubble option, makes the widget more rounded. Okay, so I think looks a bit nicer. If we go here and we reload, you see now everything is a bit more like rounded. I think looks a bit nicer. Of course, you can change the color. If you want to make this widget, I don't know, maybe your website is red. So if you want to make this red, you can put it here. Okay, so now everything is red. We make the button red. So, things like that, you can do it right away. So this is, I think is, easy to manage, sometimes, I mean, this is another template that people like, and it's like it's a more, let's say, it's a more WhatsApp, kind of interface, for the widget. So if you like this design, of course, you can use it as well. So in the design options, there are more things for you to choose. The rounding of the widget. If you want to hide the logo, for example, that's something you can do. There are more options here for you. But, to have a nice contact us page, to have a nice form in that page, to make that form save the information in a database, in a lead control panel, everything, all that is included with your account. Your account can be 100% free, 100% unlimited. Obviously, if you make your account premium, it's better, but we appreciate that, but there is no need. You can, keep your account free. You can keep your account, free forever, unlimited. I mean, you can have 1 million leads and still will be free. Okay, so this is for you to know that, you know, we are really here for you. We want to help you as much as possible. This widget, of course, works great on mobile. You know, if you make this responsive, you know, this is going to, you know, still work great. So this is something you can do. And, you know, there are still other things, but I think this covers, you know, all the basics about how to create a contact form in WordPress using WhatsApp or not. I mean, you can use this form just for, you know, email forwarding. That's completely, you know, up to you. And I think that's it. As you can see, we have an AppSumo deal. So if you want to pay once forever, you got it. And I think that's it. So hope you like it. This is for you. We want to help you. And hopefully, you know, you will use our product and our solutions, and, you know, we will help you as much as possible. Okay? Well, thank you. Bye-bye.